If you're an entrepreneur, then you need to jump on this. E-commerce is calling your name. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk all things finance, entrepreneurship, and wealth building. Today, we're diving into e-commerce, how to build your very own online store. Why start an e-commerce store? Well, the online shopping world is booming. It's estimated that e-commerce sales will reach over $6 trillion globally in the next few years. By starting an online store, you can tap into this growing market, reach customers worldwide, and potentially create a passive income stream. First, decide what you want to sell: products, digital goods, or services. Next, choose a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. And don't forget to market your store. Social media, SEO, and email marketing are your best friends. With the right strategies, you can turn your e-commerce store into a full-time business. Ready to start your e-commerce empire? Let's make it happen.